What's up, bitches? We're at the floating market.
This is me hiding my mark.
Just ended my exams and now we're on the flight for I've gotten so much acne, too much stress. I'm on the bus. Guys, I'm bus se utar gaye. We're talking about how to go to Gulmarg. Figuring it out how to go to Gulmarg. Cheap. What's up, Lim? How are you feeling? We're actually here. We're actually here. I like impromptu plans. Guys, we're at the Sahara Grand Hotel. It's going. Oh, the clouds are so pretty. I'm so excited. What are we gonna do today? Okay.
If you have time, we'll go to Pari Mahal.
Yeah! Oh wow. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything since last night and I had an exam. Okay, this is our hotel. It's called Sahara Grand. And let's see how it goes. Live update. What did we do?
We came to the wrong property.
And now the right property is like 1.5 hours. My acne is really acting out.
You said 1.5 hours.
1.5 kilometers. Guys, we finally reached the right place after fucking ourselves up.
This bed is so nice.
We gotten this at a very cheap rates. And the guy, so we met really sweet people at the other place which was the wrong thing. And but there were two guys, so one of them was, but like if you haven't booked like that property, it's a 2-star property, like you can stay here. And we were like, bhaiya, 2 stars.
But the other guy, he was so nice. He was so
He was very
sweet, so nice, so smart.
Right. Took a bath, did my makeup, Rim lost her lipstick. This looks nice. It looks nice. Put a mascara also if you're not putting. Oh. Liner. Guys, I put lenses and new earrings. We're going to have Vazwan somewhere, some local place. We called a place and we were asking how do we commute with local travel and he was like auto लेके आ जाओ. आप दोगे ऑटो के पैसे? And I think he was rude to Rim because he said Assalamu alaikum and she didn't say Walaikum Assalam back. So I think we need to learn Urdu. They were speaking Urdu so fluently, like at the reception and stuff.
That's Kashmiri.
Okay. Never heard Urdu also either though. Urdu sounds like Hindi only.
Very similar.
Very similar. Guys, we're in Srinagar today. We're gonna go where tomorrow? Gulmarg or Pahalgam? We're gonna go Gulmarg. And then?
Then we go to either Pahalgam or mostly Pahalgam, I was thinking.
What's the difference between Sonmarg and Pahalgam?
They are on opposite sides of Kashmir.
No, like,
Pahalgam is more rivery. There's a river going out there. It's like a valley. There are valleys there. Arut Valley, Betar Valley. So
will we find hot guys?
we'll find taxi drivers.
So no. Okay, bye. Let's go.
Go where?
Find a Vazwan. If he's saying यहाँ आसपास ही अच्छा मिल जाएगा तो यहीं से ही खा लेते हैं.
I don't think मिलेगा.
Can we finish this whole thing?
Yes.
Can we?
Yes.
So this is the starter. This is main course.
That is the
This
dessert.
is
Not dessert,
not
but like
dessert,
the
like final
final
course for
thing.
digestion. And this is just a chutney. Guys, the Vazwan is
Too good.
so cleansing. It's impeccably good. I'm just so fucking happy. Oh, so good, bhai. Eating from hands. I think I really like the meatball. Minced meatball. Very much. Done. Yummy meal.
Bye, Kareem. Kareem, bye. Bye, bye. What will you say?
This guy was so cute too. He helped us. Guys, छह लोग हमको छेड़ चुके हैं, हमारे पीछे पड़ चुके हैं, हमारे पीछे लड़ चुके हैं.
The two guys who are fighting.
They're coming again.
How is it? It's nice.
Vazwan. What's up, bitches? Guys, हमारा होटल लॉक्ड है. सुबह सुबह हम उठ के तैयार हुए. अब हमने बुलाया है. Very opposite fits. Very opposite fits. But cute only. Cute situations only. I'm going to Gulmarg today. Audacity.
This is me hiding my mouth.
Oh, look at the dog. He's like tiptoeing. Dogs are so cute in Kashmir. We're going to Gulmarg and we're going to do it in a very weird way possible. Yes. very धूप आ रही है, मेरी आंखें ही नहीं खुल रही है धूप में.
Guys.
हर जगह हमारे पीछे लोग पड़ जाते हैं. But we finally escaped the guy who was trying to sell us his ghoda ride. But the police station came, so he went away now. We're at the Pakshi restaurant because the ratings were good and we're hungry and bloated, but more hungry. So we're gonna have food. Look at the pretty clouds. Pretty clouds. Guys, इतने गोरे हो गए पैर. Fucking God. I think natural pedicure. Natural pedicure. Can we sell these and earn money? So pretty. We have lavenders, but they're very small right now.
They're not lavender.
What are they?
These are different flowers. Lavender or dark.
Oh, purple flowers. Despite, oh my god, look at my under eyes. Guys, I'm very sleepy and I've cried a lot because of the lenses. Because I slept like 5 minutes in my lenses in the car while we were coming, and then I realized you're not supposed to sleep in them. Oh my god, they're so baggy. This is me editing, and I would like to tell you this whole story of what happened. So I wore my lenses. I was looking so chummy to myself, and what we did was we took shared taxis, right? So we had to switch taxis. I had slept 3 hours. This woman, Rim, who went with me, right? She made me wake up in 3 hours. We slept at 2. She made me wake up at 5:30 because we were like, oh, we'll get traffic if we go late. Which we could have gone later, but it's fine now. So we reached like exceptionally early. Like there were no people there when we reached except the people who work there, right? And while we were going, I was so fucking sleepy that for 5 minutes I just closed my eyes automatically while I was sitting in the taxi. And dude, 5 minutes later I just have like this itching pain in my eye, and I'm like, what the fuck happened? And then I realized that the lenses are being very weird. Like I cannot close my eye, but I cannot open my eye, and I have to just constantly I don't know, just keep flapping my eyes, and it was so painful. And then I looked and I was like, what the hell happened? So I looked online and they said you cannot sleep in your, I remember this, that you cannot sleep in your contact from a fading memory of some time. I don't know, somebody told that, whatever. And then I just realized why you cannot do that, because it tightens around your cornea, it can get damaged. And they said it might not come out at the first time, and it wasn't. So you can use a solution, or you can use an eye drop. Neither did I have an eye drop, and we were going to Gulmarg, so we weren't gonna get any sort of like healthcare facility or whatever. And I forgot my solution, and I was like, shit, what am I gonna do? It's paining. And then I was just crying, like, what the hell do I do? It's not coming out and it's paining like hell, and I'm scared what it's gonna like tighten more and whatever. And then I talked to Rim, and she was just like, oh, I have an eye drop. And I was like, God bless you, women, God bless you, like, savior. So then I put it in my eye, and then I removed my lenses a bit later. But because of all that crying and pain, my eyes were gone. They were like so puffy underneath, and I was not looking normal. But anyways, bye. Anyway, we are here on the way to Maharaja Palace, and we're walking. And they say nobody walk there, but we walk. Did not take a khachar. गाइस, हम यहाँ हरी पैलेस के बेड पे बैठ के अपना फ़ोन चार्ज कर रहे हैं कमरे में, और हम वेट कर रहे हैं कब चार्ज होगा. Come. No. Yeah. Look at her. Bro slept. Guys, Switzerland material. Very bad camera game, but I'll show you from the back. came back from Gulmarg, back to Delhi, sunset, looking like homeless child. Look at my eyes.
So tired.
Homeless childs,
Very
homeless
tired.
children. We had so much fun today. And something fun, really fun happened with our friends coming to Kashmir. And now we can go to Pahalgaon. So we'll tell you later about it. Bye. For day 3, we're going to Pahalgaon with our friends. And they're standing outside and they're gonna kill us. Guys, make now it's recording.